Hi, welcome to one and all. Our project title is Design of Portable Gantry Crane. In all the departments of the industry a crane is used. Our project deals with the basic study and design and constructional features of a portable gantry crane. The whole project is about proposing the new design of a portable gantry crane which does the work of both standard gantry crane as well as mobile gantry crane. It mainly deals with the theoretical study of materials and beam sections for creating the design as well as making the design to be feasible for various applications. Crane. A crane is a type of machine, generally equipped with a hoist, wire ropes or chains, and sheaths, that can be used both to lift and lower materials and to move them horizontally. It is mainly used for lifting heavy things and transporting them to other places. It uses one or more simple machines to create mechanical advantage and thus move loads beyond the normal capability of a human. Cranes are commonly employed in the transport industry for the loading and unloading of freight, in the construction industry for the movement of materials, and in the manufacturing industry for the assembling of heavy equipment. Cranes for construction are normally temporary structures, either fixed to the ground or mounted on a purpose-built vehicle. Types of crane: mounted crane, rough terrain crane, side lift crane, all-terrain crane, crawler crane, floating crane, railroad crane, tower crane, aerial crane, self-erecting crane, telescopic crane, level luffing crane, hammerhead crane, gantry crane, overhead crane, deck crane, loader crane, bulk handling crane, jib crane, stacker crane. And our project is about gantry crane. This type is normally used in a factory, with some of them being able to lift very heavy loads. The hoist is set on a trolley which will move in one direction along one or two beams, which move at angles to that direction along elevated or ground level tracks, often mounted along the side of an assembly area. Need for mobile gantry crane. In industries, mobile gantry crane is used for many purposes. One of the major purpose is to transmit the raw material from one place to another. So in such cases they cannot prefer the normal gantry crane as it is too costly and need lot of time to create a setup, and it is not portable. Hence the industry do require a portable gantry crane that should have a different design apart from normal gantry crane and mobile gantry crane. Mobile i.e. the crane should be easy to assemble and dismantle. Design aspects: it should be easy to dismantle and assemble. It should bear a load of 1,500 kilograms maximum considered FOS. It should be designed in such a way that it should be portable, i.e., quick to assemble and dismantle. Simplified and powerful design is required such that it can resist the load and risk of accident and failure should be less. Readily available materials such as common beam sections should be used in designing the portable gantry crane. Beams are structural elements where the length is several times larger than the dimensions in any of the two other directions. All beam theories describe the beam as a one-dimensional structure, and the beam axis, denoted X, is in the length direction. The cross-sectional geometry is represented by a number of scalar quantities such as area and moments of inertia. The displacements and rotations describe the deformation of the beam axis, and the displacements in the cross-section are directly related to the deformation of the beam axis. The internal forces: axial force, bend, shear forces Vz, Vy, and bending/torsion moments. Types of beam sections: standard section shapes, W, wide flange S, American standard beam C, American standard channel L, angled WD or street, structural T-pipe, structural tubing. I section: the cross-section is symmetrical to both the axis and constant in the whole span of the beam. The web is not subjected to hole transverse loading, causing crushing, crippling or buckling failure. The possibility of shear buckling is excluded. The beam is not subjected to axial force. Since I-section has these many advantages which we can't find in any beam cross-section, we do prefer I-section beams all over the load-bearing region as it can resist load to a better extent than other beam cross-sections. Advantages: the portable crane is highly beneficial since it can be used for multiple applications. Portable in the sense, the design is so simple such like it can be easily assembled as well as dismantled. The design cost is also low. I.e. the design is simple but powerful. Mobile gantry cranes are highly time-consuming as it does only a single job at a time, but this type of portable gantry crane can do the work faster and better. Hence it saves a lot of time, which obviously leads to increase in production. Thanks for watching our video patiently.